political and social change, Queen Elizabeth was the one constant in our lives. From the Korean War to the war in Afghanistan, the Suez Crisis, the rise and the fall of the Berlin Wall, the legalization of abortion, and seeing those legal rights removed in many of the United States, the abolishment of the death penalty. Consider the evolution of technology. The year she was crowned, television had just been introduced in Canada. There was no such thing at the time as the Beatles or the Rolling Stones, but through all that change, her popularity remained remarkably constant. In 2012, the New Republic magazine summed up the world's enthusiasm for the Queen. Journalist Tim Stanley wrote, "To review her history is to review a history of ourselves, like flicking through an old family photo album."